Nūrun Alā Nūr.
Allāhu nūrus-samāwāti wal-arḍ.
Why don't you trust? Look to the heavens above. Allah is the light of the heavens and the earth. He alone is the Creator. He alone is the Almighty. To Him belongs all power and all praise. Nūrun Alā Nūr. Allāhu nūrus-samāwāti wal-arḍ.
He guides the hearts with His light. He grants guidance to whom He wills. He knows every hidden thought. He is the controller of every heart. He is the Lord of fire and of light. His mercy embraces all creation. Nūrun Alā Nūr. Allāhu nūrus-samāwāti wal-arḍ. Why don't you reflect? He commands the night and the day. He commands the thunder and the rain. He commands the darkness and the light. Everything submits to His command. Why don't you understand? If Allah wills, He can take away our hearing and our sight. So remember your Lord, seek His guidance, walk in His light. Return to Him with a sincere heart. Nūrun Alā Nūr. Allāhu nūrus-samāwāti wal-arḍ. Guide our hearts with your light. Fill our souls with your mercy. Keep us firm upon your guidance.